Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix YouTube sound not working on Samsung TV. Let's go. First way, open YouTube. Settings. Reset app. If it doesn't work, open apps. Settings. Select YouTube, reinstall. If it doesn't work, open Settings. Network. Network status. Check network status. If there are problems, click Disconnect. Network settings. Select your network. Connect again. That's it. Now you know how to fix YouTube sound not working on Samsung TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.